What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost. Before we start the video, just have to say thank you guys for all the subscribes, all the likes, everything, man, all the comments as well. Right now I think we're on about 700 subscribers as I'm talking today. Yeah, man, road to 1,000, baby. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. We need you guys to carry on subscribing. If you've already subscribed, like the videos, and if you're not subscribed, hey, listen, if you like what you see, just hit that button, you know what I'm saying? anyway, let's get on with the video, man, because as you can see, I've got something special right here, something real special, and I'm excited to show you it properly, but not here because it's way too loud. Way too loud. Alright, now the shameless begging is over, let's get to the video. Let's get it. What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost Off Track TV, and today we have something that's been sitting in my room for like a year. It's the SE Project CRT exhaust. It is the loudest exhaust on the planet. This thing will destroy your ears. It destroyed my ears. But anyway, this isn't going to be a long video. It's not. Gonna be a quick one. I've been away working for like 2 weeks in a row. Meanwhile, Blaze was supposed to fill in. This guy made one video and dipped. We're gonna talk about that, big man, but don't worry, he's coming back to London very soon. We're gonna be riding together. This right here, along with his, rolling together, it's gonna be a madness. I cannot wait. But for now, I want to show you my SE Project CRT or my Kawasaki Ninja ZX6R. Okay, now I'm just a bit round the corner where I can lay it off a little bit, but before I start, I've had this SE Project in my room for about a year. So last year when I lost my license, I was like planning all the little upgrades I would do to this bike, and one of them, the main one, was the SE Project exhaust. Now I bought it, I left it in my room, and I didn't forget about it, but what I actually did was I just left it for a bit, because I like the other exhaust, the Lextek. It was good, it was nice and racy, but this is on another level. Also is that the old headers that I had, they just wouldn't fit this exhaust, because it was more of like a proprietary thing with the Lextek one, so it just wouldn't fit. One thing I'm noticing though is that I don't really like is that these headers seem a bit, I don't know if you can see in between there, but they seem a little bit thinner than the other ones, which isn't really good for airflow. So I guess I might lose some performance there, but for the noise, it's worth it, and I can always upgrade the headers again later to probably Akaprovich ones or something like that. Anyway, first I want you to hear a sound clip of the old ones, which I'll insert right now. Oh, she sounds good. Is that me? Is that really me? Oh, she sounds great. Oh, yeah, we like that. And now I want to start this up after my guy goes with his dog, and I want you to hear just how beastly this thing sounds. I don't think you're ready for this. I don't think you're ready for how disgusting this thing is. Alright, here we go. Listen, just listen. I can feel the gasoline being injected into me. Look at this. Absolutely insane. Pops, bangs, so many flames. I'll show you when we first put it on yesterday, and we done this. I'll show you when we first put it on yesterday, all the flames that were coming out of it. But for now, I think that's it really. I think that's it. That's all I have to show you. So for the rest of the video, it's going to be a little ride, so you can hear exactly how this thing sounds on the road. How is this legal? How is this legal? I just feel like I'm doing something bad, bro. I can't shake the feeling that I'm doing something bad. This is evil. Alright, let me get on some roads where I can actually move, and I'll be with you again, okay? There's no way this thing is that monstrous. Oh my, I'm a problem. I'm a problem. I'm actually a problem. What? Huh? Huh? How? There's no way. Hold on. Oh, this is a 600, bro. It's not like a 1000. Imagine putting this on a 1000. My mind is racing. My mind is racing. It's going everywhere right now. This is it. This is what my bike sounds like. I cannot believe it. I actually can't. It's insane. Just going through the city, man. I haven't even hit the high notes yet. Going through the city, this thing is insane. Now, living in a big city like London, is it the smartest thing to do? Probably not. But I'm not here to be smart, I'm here to have fun. And have fun we will, just not on this road. I really wanted to get out and get on some lanes today, but I just got so much to do today, man. I went to bed really late last night, and through fault of my own, of course, through fault of my own. And basically I just woke up really late, and I have football later on, so see that dog jump, oh my gosh. Oh shit, what am I right now? Yeah, I'll tell you what, it's not looking good right now, blood. It's not looking good right now. If there's traffic here, then there's traffic down there, and down there is where I want to go, so does it ever not pop? But the other one sometimes didn't pop. This one just pops off all the time. Yeah, I'm not making it through here, man. There's so much traffic. I'm just not today, please. So I'm gonna turn left here, and then come back a bit later. Hopefully there's less traffic, a little bit. Probably not. It's a Friday. It's a Friday. I was really trying to get onto the outskirts just so I could open her up a little bit, But yeah, Friday, 3:30, school's out. Some of you eagle-eyed guys may have noticed that I have a engine light right here. It's nothing to worry about. It's just I preemptively started the bike up before it was all done, and there was a little clip down here unplugged, and it just froze the code. But that's fine. I'll just ride it for a little bit and it will turn off. It's happened before. It's fine. No big deal. So don't worry about that too much. Yeah, man. All this traffic around here, I'm not going to get to do what I wanted to do. Maybe on this road down here. Let's see. What is this bike? I'm sorry, I just realised I keep screaming like a little girl. I can't help it. I apologise, okay? Let's see if we can try it again. Listen. That is nasty. I should be arrested for that alone. That is disgusting. It's never gonna get old. It's never just in the city, just riding around the city like this. Absolutely insane. I don't believe it. Oh my gosh. I actually had a camera back there, or a camera mount back there from old exhaust. Just popping off, but it broke somehow. I think when I took my friend the other day, I think she stepped on the mount. I didn't even realise. Literally the other day, sorry, yesterday, when I fitted this, I just saw it hanging off there broken. Don't know how it stayed there that whole time. But absolutely crazy, bro. Absolutely insane, fam. That's enough. That's enough. If this video ain't too long, I will. If it's over 10 minutes by now, what I'll do, I won't come back later tonight. So if this is it, I've been your boy Ghost, Off Track TV, and I'm out. Love.